First, spices name is in Hindi. Adrak powder. Adrak powder. Say in English. Ginger powder. Ginger powder. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Dhania powder. Dhania powder. Say in English. Coriander powder. Coriander powder. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Curry patta. Curry patta. Say in English. Curry leaves. Curry leaves. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Garam masala. Garam masala. Say in English. Hot spice. Hot spice. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Sarso. Sarso. Say in English. Mustard. Mustard. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Haldi powder. Haldi powder. Say in English. Turmeric powder. Turmeric powder. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Methi beej. Methi beej. Say in English. Fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Kitchen king masala. Kitchen king masala. Say in English. Kitchen king masala. Kitchen king masala. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Pyaj powder. Pyaj powder. Say in English. Onion powder. Onion powder. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Sukha nariyal. Sukha nariyal. Say in English. Dry coconuts. Dry coconuts. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Cherayata. Cherayata. Say in English. Sweertia. Sweertia. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Kachar ya karer. Kachar ya karer. Say in English. Capers. Capers. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Dalchini. Dalchini. Say in English.
Cinnamon sticks. Cinnamon sticks.
Next, spices name is in Hindi. Sukhi kari patti. Sukhi kari patti. Say in English. Dry curry leaves. Dry curry leaves. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Choti ilaichi. Choti ilaichi. Say in English. Green cardamom. Green cardamom. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Tulsi beej. Tulsi beej. Say in English. Basil seeds. Basil seeds. Next, spices names in Hindi. Safed til. Safed til. Say in English. White sesame seeds. White sesame seeds. Next, spices names in Hindi. Namak. Namak. Say in English. Salt. Salt. Next, spices names in Hindi. Maigi masala. Maigi masala. Say in English. Maggi masala. Maggi masala. Next, spices names in Hindi. Chilgoje. Chilgoje. Say in English. Pine nuts. Pine nuts. Next, spices names in Hindi. Chirunchi. Chirunchi. Say in English. Charoli. Charoli. Next, spices names in Hindi. Lal mirch. Lal mirch. Say in English. Red chili. Red chili. Next, spices names in Hindi. Kali elaichi. Kali elaichi. Say in English. Black cardamom. Black cardamom. Next, spices names in Hindi. Lal mirch flakes. Lal mirch flakes. Say in English. Red chili flakes. Red chili flakes. Next, spices names in Hindi. Senda namak. Senda namak. Say in English. Rock salt. Rock salt. Next, spices names in Hindi. Kala namak. Kala namak. Say in English. Black salt. Black salt. Next, spices names in Hindi. Jeera. Jeera. Say in English. Cumin seeds. Cumin seeds. Next, spices names in Hindi. Sambar masala. Sambar masala. Say in English. Sambar masala. Sambar masala. Next, spices names in Hindi. Paneer masala. Paneer masala. Say in English. Cheese masala. Cheese masala. Next, spices names in Hindi. Imli. Imli. Say in English. Tamarind. Tamarind. Next, spices names in Hindi. Kashmiri lal mirch. Kashmiri lal mirch. Say in English. Kashmiri red chili powder. Kashmiri red chili powder. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Lal mirch powder. Lal mirch powder. Say in English. Red chili powder. Red chili powder. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Ajwain patti. Ajwain patti. Say in English. Oregano. Oregano. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Chakra Phool. Chakra Phool. Say in English. Star anise. Star anise. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Tulsi pattiyan. Tulsi pattiyan. Say in English. Basil leaves. Basil leaves. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Pija masala. Pija masala. Say in English. Pija seasoning powder. Pija seasoning powder. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Loong. Loong. Say in English. Clove. Clove. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Sejawan Kali Mirch. Sejawan Kali Mirch. Say in English. Shezwan pepper. Shezwan pepper. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Nagdona. Nagdona. Say in English. Tarragon. Tarragon. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Kala jeera. Kala jeera. Say in English. Black cumin seeds. Black cumin seeds. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Saunf. Saunf. Say in English. Fennel seeds. Fennel seeds. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Ajwain. Ajwain. Say in English. Carom seeds. Carom seeds. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Bhojan rang. Bhojan rang. Say in English. Food coloring powder. Food coloring powder. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Lahasun powder. Lahasun powder. Say in English. Garlic powder. Garlic powder. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Sukha pudina. Sukha pudina. Say in English. Dry mint. Dry mint. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Mulethi. Mulethi. Say in English. Glycyrrhiza glabra. Glycyrrhiza glabra. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Pipali. Pipali. Say in English. Lawn paper. Lawn paper. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Sarson tel. Sarson tel. Say in English. Mustard oil. Mustard oil. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Tandoori masala. Tandoori masala. Say in English. Tandoori masala. Tandoori masala. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Majit. Majit. Say in English. Madder. Madder. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Safed mirch powder. Safed mirch powder. Say in English. White pepper powder. White pepper powder. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Javitri. Javitri. Say in English. Mace. Mace. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Kali mirch. Kali mirch. Say in English. Black pepper. Black pepper. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Gul mehendi. Gul mehendi. Say in English. Rosemary. Rosemary. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Kalonji. Kalonji. Say in English. Nigella. Nigella. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Chai patti. Chai patti. Say in English. Tea leaf. Tea leaf. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Jaifal. Jaifal. Say in English. Nutmeg. Nutmeg. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Anar powder. Anar powder. Say in English. Pomegranate powder. Pomegranate powder. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Sabut dana. Sabut dana. Say in English. Sago. Sago. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Kali til bij. Kali til bij. Say in English. Black sesame seeds. Black sesame seeds. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Dhaniya patti. Dhaniya patti. Say in English. Coriander leaves. Coriander leaves. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Lal Shimla Mirch. लाल शिमला मिर्च. Say in English. Paprika. Paprika. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Kabab chini. Kabab chini. Say in English. Kabab pepper. Kabab pepper. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Kesar. Kesar. Say in English. Saffron. Saffron. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Tej patta. Tej patta. Say in English. Bay leaf. Bay leaf. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Lahashun. Lahashun. Say in English. Garlic. Garlic. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Nariyal burada. Nariyal burada. Say in English. Dry coconut powder. Dry coconut powder. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Ratan Jyot. Ratan Jyot. Say in English. Diazalkanate. Diazalkanate. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Ajmod namak. Ajmod namak. Say in English. Celery salt. Celery salt. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Fitkari. Fitkari. Say in English. Alum. Alum. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Patthar Phool. Patthar Phool. Say in English. Patthar Phool masala. Patthar Phool masala. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Sukhi imli. Sukhi imli. Say in English. Dry tamarind. Dry tamarind. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Mix herbs. Mix herbs. Say in English. Mix herbs. Mix herbs. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Dabeli masala. Dabeli masala. Say in English. Dabeli masala. Dabeli masala. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Khameer. Khameer. Say in English. Yeast. Yeast. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Badam. Badam. Say in English. Almond. Almond. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Arrowroot powder. Arrowroot powder. Say in English. Arrowroot powder. Arrowroot powder. Next, spices names in Hindi. Hing. Hing. Say in English. Asafoetida. Asafoetida. Next, spices names in Hindi. Baking soda. Baking soda. Say in English. Baking soda. Baking soda. Next, spices names in Hindi. Kasuri methi. Kasuri methi. Say in English. Dry fenugreek leaves. Dry fenugreek leaves. Next, spices names in Hindi. Methi patti. Methi patti. Say in English. Fenugreek leaves. Fenugreek leaves. Next, spices names in Hindi. Sukhi adarak. Sukhi adarak. Say in English. Dry ginger. Dry ginger. Next, spices names in Hindi. Sukha amla. Sukha amla. Say in English. Dry gooseberry. Dry gooseberry. Next, spices names in Hindi. Amchur powder. Amchur powder. Say in English. Dry mango powder. Dry mango powder. Next, spices names in Hindi. Harad. Harad. Say in English. Harad. Harad. Next, spices names in Hindi. Sukhi anar beej. Sukhi anar beej. Say in English. Dry pomegranate seeds. Dry pomegranate seeds. Next, spices names in Hindi. Alsi beej. Alsi beej. Say in English. Flaxseed. Flaxseed. Next, spices names in Hindi. Majufal. Majufal. Say in English. Galnut. Galnut. Next, spices names in Hindi. Katira gond. Katira gond. Say in English. Gum tragacanth. Gum tragacanth. Next, spices names in Hindi. Kaju. Kaju. Say in English. Cashew nut. Cashew nut. Next, spices names in Hindi. Makhana. Makhana. Say in English. Fox nut. Fox nut. Next, spices names in Hindi. Ajinomoto. Ajinomoto. Say in English. Ajinomoto. Ajinomoto. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Kokum. Kokum. Say, in English. Garcinia indica. Garcinia indica. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Logba. Logba. Say, in English. Frankincense. Frankincense. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Malabar imli. Malabar imli. Say, in English. Garcinia gummy gutta. Garcinia gummy gutta. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Chaat masala. Chaat masala. Say, in English. Chaat masala. Chaat masala. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Kishmish. Kishmish. Say, in English. Green raisins. Green raisins. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Tatari namak. Tatari namak. Say, in English. Citric acid. Citric acid. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Chicken masala. Chicken masala. Say, in English. Chicken masala. Chicken masala. Next, spices name is in Hindi. Sabji masala. Sabji masala. Say, in English. Vegetable masala. Vegetable masala. Thanks. Please like, subscribe and comments जरूर करें.